Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today on our Route 66 trip with Route 66 with us, we are at a train show in Chicago. And I am not going to take the dolls in today. This is a big show. We're about 20 minutes after 9 o'clock, the opening getting here, and the line is still very, very long, which means like last time at the train show, I'm not going to be able to get my doll in many pictures anyway. So they're going to wait here and we're going to go in.
Hi.
Hello.
No, I told him we're back to back.
But wait, there's more.
This thing on a couple.
I didn't say that. That's the only thing, though.
Yeah, 455. That's it. 455.
Working on my office. I'm only learning about it.
We have more in the car. Wait till you see. We are headed home to Missouri. Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And Darren and I recently spent a weekend in Chicago. We went up on Route 66, stopped along the way. Maybe you've seen that video. We met up with Dory and Andrew from Dory's Dollies. If you do not watch that channel, her link will be in the description below. Remedy that because she has the doll channel. Anyway, we went on that particular weekend because there was a train show. And if you don't already know, Darren has been setting up not only an N-scale train in the living room, but we are planning to put up a G scale train outdoors. It's a plan. And we need track, and we have a lot of cars, and now we have a lot of track, but there's nothing like getting more so that you can make it go more places, etc. Anyway, this is what I got at the train show. I had this idea with one of these white t-shirts to ask them to stamp it. You know, they stamp your hands so you can go in and out. And it worked. Except two things. I should have opened it all the way out, had something for her to work on, and she did it upside down. Trainshow.com. Now, wouldn't that have been cute for my little Blythe's to wear to the next train. I always clip these threads. To the next train show, walking around. How cute would that be? So we're going to do that again, but I'm going to be more prepared. Darren often fixes chili. It's my favorite. Nobody beats his chili. And when he makes it, he makes a big pot, and then we have it for 4 days, and I love it. So I've been heating it up in the microwave and burning my hands. I bought one of these at the train show. I've been wanting to get one. I actually made one, but mine is not, I still have to tweak the size. But they had this one there, and I thought, well, that's kind of fun. And she said, oh, and it's reversible. You can also use the trains on this side. So I thought that was real cute. I bought it. And Darren is talking about setting up a train channel where we'll put most of our train stuff there, like setting up the track and showing the trains and whatnot. And he got a book, and he said he's thinking about doing a book report. So when I saw this, not a book report, a book overview, and when I saw this, I thought, well, maybe he'd like to have this one too. So I bought it. Actually, I didn't. It was in a free box, and I thanked the guy, and off we went. Wait till you see what Darren carried from the train show.
So clearly, as you can tell, our big score for the train show was track. The very first, we walked in, Marna went left, I went right. She was like a bloodhound at this show, finding track. I wouldn't get 10 feet away and she'd be texting me, Darren, come back. So the first thing she found was 16 pieces of this 5-foot long LGB outdoor track. This stuff is like hen's teeth, rare to find, and a couple of them are a little nicked up. That's all used, but it's in great shape. $12 a piece, which is fantastic price. Marna was standing there fighting people off. She had her hand on it, trying to text me with the other hand, come here quick, Darren, they're trying to buy it out from underneath me. She wasn't sure if it was a good deal or not. It was, I think, $2.25 a foot. We've been averaging about between 50 cents and $2 a foot, but we need straight track, and we have straight tack now. Some of these others we have
How many
forgotten.
are there?
There's 16 pieces here of this, as I said. And then some of this was in little batches, some of it was in groups. To be honest, we can't remember what groups we got together. We're pretty sure there was this and maybe some more. There was at least 4 pieces. Well, there's 4 here. So one gentleman had a little bit of straight track. Somebody else had a box with a switch and some curved pieces. We got deals on everything. Well, not on the $12 a foot. That was already a deal, but we got all this stuff discounted, and this we actually got free, threw in. Great deal. We've got a lot of straight track. I think we're up to over 400 feet of track now and growing, which sounds like a lot until you realize how big the trains are and how quickly it eats up. And then our indoor track, I've got basically everything I need now, except I needed some flexible track to kind of fill in the gaps. This gentleman had this basically new track, $1 a section, which is, well, a fifth of what you find it online, plus you have to pay shipping to get it. Should have bought all he had, but we had already bought so much. This is still 20 pieces of that, more than I need, so good deal. And then, of course, my bloodhound, she picked up this. I told her we needed some more switches for N scale, and she got this great deal on this Boxy used switches. It's just crammed full of switches, and I think she paid like $5 for the box. It was
15.
15 for the box. Well, a fantastic deal. From the looks of it, about $1 a piece. These sell for $12 or so new, $12 to $20. Actually, 15's a good deal online plus shipping. So she did fantastic. So we had a great show. We didn't purchase a single car at this show. The G-scale cars that were there were pretty expensive. This is the first time we've been up there to the Chicago show. It's run by the same group of people who did the Kansas City and the St. Charles show that we've put on. That's the biggest shows that we've been to, but really nice large venue. They didn't have a lot of really nice running track here at this layouts at this show. But this is every month, and so a lot of vendors, 3 buildings and some outside. Big busy place. Great time. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.